Have you ever wondered why mustard oil has been treasured in kitchens and traditional medicine for centuries? From enhancing the flavor of food to nourishing the body from the inside out, mustard oil is more than just a cooking ingredient. It's a natural powerhouse packed with nutrients and healing properties. In today's video, let's explore the many uses and benefits of mustard oil and why it deserves a spot in your pantry and your self-care routine. Mustard oil is extracted from the seeds of the mustard plant. It's rich in healthy fats, particularly monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which support heart health. It also contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function, reducing inflammation, and supporting cell growth. Additionally, mustard oil is a natural source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects the skin, strengthens immunity, and slows down signs of aging. In many parts of Asia and Africa, mustard oil is a staple in everyday cooking. It has a sharp aromatic flavor that enhances dishes like curries, stir fries, marinades, and pickles. Because it has a high smoke point, mustard oil is perfect for frying, sautéing without breaking down easily. It also acts as a natural preservative, which is why it's often used in homemade pickles and kidneys. When used in moderation, mustard oil not only elevates the taste of food, but also adds a layer of health benefits to your meals. Mustard oil is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. When used in cooking, it can help support digestion, improve circulation, and even boost appetite. Some studies suggest that moderate consumption may help lower bad cholesterol and support healthy heart. It's also been traditionally used to clear congestion and ease symptoms of cold and cough by massaging warm oil onto the chest or using it for steam inhalation. For the skin, mustard oil works as a natural moisturizer. It penetrates deeply, keeping the skin soft, supple, and glowing. Its antibacterial properties make it useful for soothing minor skin irritations and protecting against infections. Mustard oil has long been used as a beauty secret for healthy hair. When massaged into the scalp, it stimulates blood flow, strengthens hair follicles, and may help reduce hair fall. Its rich nutrient profile nourishes dry, dull hair, leaving it shiny and more manageable. For the skin, regular mustard oil massages can improve circulation and give a natural radiance. In some cultures, babies are massaged with warm mustard oil to strengthen their bones and even keep their skin healthy. Of course, it's important to do a patch test before, as mustard oil can be strong for sensitive skin. Beyond the kitchen and beauty routine, mustard oil has been used traditionally for therapeutic massages, especially in cold seasons, to keep the body warm and improve flexibility. It's also used as a natural remedy for joint pain and muscle aches. Its warming effect provides relief and relaxes stiff areas. Some people even use it as a natural insect repellent or to the season wooden utensils and clay pots to prevent cracking. Mustard oil is truly a multi-purpose treasure. Whether you're cooking, nourishing your skin and hair, or embracing natural wellness practices. When used wisely and in moderation, it can offer a wide range of benefits that support both health and beauty. So next time you see the golden bottle of mustard oil, remember, it's not just an oil, it's a tradition of wellness passed through generations.